Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I install this ombre hair. I'm living for the ombre. It's been a while since I did any ombre wigs, but I really love this tone. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I install this wig, I promise you it is beginner friendly as well, then please continue to watch. The wig that I'm wearing today is from OMGHerHair. I have worn their wigs in the past, and I will tell you right now, their wigs are beginner friendly because you do not have to do a lot to it to make it look good. This is what the wig looks like straight out of the box. So this is a ombre wig, and this is what the hairline looks like. Are you guys seeing that hairline? Like, it is actually tweezed to perfection, and I'm here for that. I wish more companies would actually give you the wigs pre-plucked just like this. I love that. Now, as for the knots, they're very it is pre-bleach. However, I'm a bit of a perfectionist, so I am gonna go in and just bleach it just a tad bit more, but honestly, you could just wear it like this. Now, it comes with a wax stick, HD wig cap, elastic band, and this wig thingy. Honestly, I never wear these. I don't know what they're called, but they're just not for me. Let's get into this install. So I'm just applying some foundation to my wig cap just to conceal my hair. You want to hide the hair as much as possible. Don't want it to peep through. So this is the wig. Now I have washed this wig and I'm going to install it now. So I'm going to cut off those little comb thingies because I don't need it. Does anyone actually use these? I don't know. So this is what the wig looks like, and the hairline, I do not have to do anything to it. It's pre-plucked. It looks amazing. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut away the lace on the side because I don't need that. Now I'm going to take out some little pieces in the front. You guys know I like to do the widow's peak. However, I did take out a little too much, so I didn't show that step. I did take out a little too much and kind of messed it up. So we're going to move on to the skin protector, and I'm just going to apply this along my forehead area. And then I'm going to go ahead and use my lace glue. I use the skin protector first because it's going to enhance the performance of the glue. Then I'm going to go in with the glue, and I'm going to be doing 2 layers of glue today. So this is the first layer, and I'm using my eyebrow razor to do this. You can also use a rat tail comb, and I'm going to go in with the blow dryer on the cool setting. And I did 2 layers, however, I skipped the other layer off camera. So I'm just going to put that down now, and I'm going to go in with my blow dryer on the cool setting to dry her. Next, I'm going to take my scissors and start cutting away all that extra lace that we don't need. Okay, so the hairline on this wig, it does go a little bit low, but I don't want to cut off too much of the hair because I noticed that the front of the lace is obviously it's pre-plucked, but if I cut off too much, then I'm gonna have a thicker layer of hair, and then I'd have to go in and tweeze, and I don't want to have to do that. So now I'm gonna go in with the melting spray, and I'm gonna add the melting spray to the edges of the lace because I want this to look seamless and flawless. I want it to be melted down to perfection. So now I'm gonna take my blow dryer again on the cool setting and start to blow dry this for about not very long, maybe like for 10 seconds. And then I'm going to go in with my rat tail comb and just comb the hair a bit. I haven't even melted it down yet, and it's looking really good. So we're going to go in with the melting band now, and I'm just going to tie this on, and I'm going to leave this on for about 10 minutes. And then voila, she looks great. So I'm going to take my hot comb, and I am going to be doing a side part today. You can also do a center part if you prefer to do that, but I'm going to do a side part, and I just want to straighten this hair out first because, like I said, I washed this hair. So this is how it looks in its natural state when you wash it. So I'm going to go in with the flat iron and just straighten, and I'm going to speed this part up because you guys know how to straighten hair. Okay, so as you can see, I'm just cutting some little tiny edges on the side, and I'm not going to do any crazy baby hairs. I just want a little bit on the side. So this is how it is looking now. I did do some curls in it, and I'm going to add my rollers in, and I left my rollers in while I did my makeup, and this hair really curled really beautiful. Hi Simba, he just wanted to be all up in everything today, by the way. And yeah, this is how it's looking. I do love adding rollers because I just feel like it adds volumes to the hair. A lot of times you guys tell me that my wig looks very voluminous, and it's because I cut layers and I add rollers in it. So that's what's giving it the volume right now. So I did add some layers in the front, and I cut it with my eyebrow razor. But yeah, this is pretty much the completed look. It's super easy because this wig is beginner friendly. You don't really have to do a lot to it to make it look good. Like, it literally just looks good straight out of the box. So it looks really good. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment down below. I'll see you guys in another video very soon. I love you guys, and thank you for watching. Bye.